Today is a great day. Welcome to day 2 of KetoMOM. I'm here with Stephanie Milky, aka KetoMOM, and I'm her husband, Steve. And we're excited to talk to you about discovering your purpose and your plan for your life. So what do you got for us?
So it's ridiculously easy to be discontent in life. You see where everybody else is going, what they're doing, who they're with, what they have, what they're wearing, and you feel like your life sucks. Here's a little thought for you. You may have heard of the Pareto principle, 80-20. 20% of the people do.
Where are we?
We're here to pick up your new car.
Oh, my new car?
Yeah,
You mean that car right there? Or your car?
No, this is your car.
My car.
Our car?
Yeah.
Our car.
All right. Steve is about to take his car home. This is his dream car on his vision board for the last probably 7 years. I've got 5 tips to help you on your keto low carb journey. Number 1, intermittent fasting is great. Number 2, drink your water and electrolytes. It's super important. About half your body weight